I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Can't touch it. Do-do-do-do. Do-do. Do-do. Can't touch it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Can't touch it. Do-do-do. Do you ever have those songs that get stuck in your head and then they play back and forth? All right. Well, hopefully those two songs will give you inspiration for today's P.U.S.H, Picking Up Steam at Home challenge. So this one is about moving it, but not touching it. I've got some simple things that I like to play with that move pretty easily if I just give them a simple push. Something like a cylinder, like this spool of thread, if I push it, it rolls. Something like a Hot Wheels car, if I push it, it rolls. And even a ball, if I push it, it rolls. So today's challenge is, can you change something, a cylinder that rolls, a simple toy that has wheels and rolls, or a sphere like this racquetball that rolls? Can you change it so that you can move it without touching it? All right. Now you can change the item itself. You can add to the item itself, or maybe you need to subtract to the item itself, or maybe you need to change the item's situation. Can you figure out a way to get one of these items that normally you can get to move by giving a push without touching it? All right, got it? Okay, so once you have your solution, I would love to hear what you come up with. Don't forget, you can always tweet me or email me. I want to see what you come up with. Thanks for tuning in for this Move It But Don't Touch It P.U.S.H challenge.